The natural world is full of animals that have developed an array of sounds. These sounds allow them to communicate with each other and sometimes to attract mate. But, while some of these sounds are nice and some of them are downright cute, there are some sounds that the animals make that are just creepy. Let's go and find out the top 10 animals which sounds creepy. In 10th position we have walrus. The walrus is an animal native to the Arctic Circle. It is a mammal that has the upper body of a seal, but the lower jaw of a large, flat, tusked creature. In the past, the walrus has not been recognized as a very vocal animal. After careful analysis, researchers have found that the walrus is actually a very vocal animal. These researchers have just published in the journal Acoustics that the sounds the walrus makes can be used as a way to determine their age, sex, and physical health. Here is a sample of the weird sound they make. In 9th position we have cougars. The cougar is a big cat that is native to the Americas. They live in forests and eat different types of animals. They are also sometimes called mountain lions, and have been associated with bravery and strength. The common cougars vocalizes for 3 main reasons: greeting to let other pumas know that it is nearby, as a warning when another animal invades its territory, and as a sign of aggression when 2 rival males lock eyes. Here is a sample of the weird sound they make. In 8th position we have piranha. Piranha is a fish that is found primarily in the tropics and subtropical waters of the Americas, ranging from New Guinea to Argentina. These fish have the flesh-eating trait, allowing them to have a distinctive beak which helps them to tear the flesh of their prey. They are also famous for their sharp teeth and the sound that they make when biting. Here is a sample of the weird sound they make. In 7th position we have koalas. Koalas are known for their large ears and for being cuddly. However, because of the image of the cuddly koala, many people are completely taken off guard by them making a loud screeching sound. It can be a startling sound, and often ends up scaring people more than getting people to be attracted to them. Koalas can make anywhere between 13 to 40 different sounds to communicate with each other. While they may look like they are just sleeping, they are actually communicating with each other through sounds. Koalas sound like they are snoring, but they are not, they are actually talking to one another. Here is a sample of the weird sound they make. On 6th position we have frogs. Frogs are slimy, they live in slimy places and eat slimy things. Most frogs have a semi-aquatic lifestyle, but move easily through a range of environments. They have a stout body, with a short neck, webbed digits, and no tail. When they don't feel like eating, they croak, and make all sorts of other noises too. They have a variety of different calls, which they use to communicate with each other, and warn each other of impending danger. Here is a sample of the weird sound they make. On 5th position we have porcupines. Porcupines are animals found in Africa, Asia, and Europe. These animals are slow-moving creatures, roam about in the heat of the day and sleep during the night hours. The most interesting thing about them is that they have quills which are sharp, and stick into anyone that touches them. Porcupine's animal sound can be heard at night. The porcupine sounds are quite unique, and a fun sound to listen to. Here is a sample of the weird sound they make. On 4th position we have male red deer. The red deer is a species of deer native to much of Europe, the Caucasus, and Asia Minor. Red deer have the stout bodies and large heads of other cervids. The males will make a bellowing sound to show prowess, and to attract the female to the herd. The structure of the red deer bellow consists of a high-frequency and low-frequency element. Here is a sample of the weird sound they make. On third position we have ostrich. The ostrich is the largest living bird and can reach weights of up to 154 pounds. These large birds are able to fly, but tend to prefer to run from predators. The ostrich can be found in sub-Saharan Africa, and are considered a national symbol of Tanzania. The ostrich is the only living bird species to be found solely in Africa. Ostriches generally avoid humans, but can be aggressive when they feel threatened, particularly during their breeding season. Ostriches can make a wide range of noises to communicate with each other. Common types of sounds that they make include chirping, honking, hissing, and grunting. Here is a sample of the weird sound they make. On second position we have cheetahs. The cheetah is a large feline species of Africa and Asia. It is the fastest land animal, and are actually able to reach up to speeds between 80 to 130 kilometers per hour. They can cover distances of up to 460 meters with a single stride, and can kill their prey in less than 5 seconds. The cheetah has special pads on its paws that allow it to travel silently as it stalks its prey. Cheetahs have unique howl or chirr which they use to communicate. Here is a sample of the weird sound they make. On first position we have great blue heron. The great blue heron is a very large bird that can stand as tall as 4 feet. They are found all over North America. The name great blue heron comes from their mostly blue-gray feathers and great long legs. Male great blue herons are a bluish-gray, while females are brown. Both sexes have an orange spot on the back of their necks. They specialize hunting in shallow water. Here is a sample of the weird sound they make. If you enjoyed the content of this video, click the subscribe button so you can receive more content like this every week.